right, today was the day when we confirmed or discovered dark energy. We had multiple teams across the globe looking at some of the farthest stars in our known universe. And originally, we thought that due to the, theory of gravity and whatnot, things would start to slow down as they got towards that outer edge, and eventually that everything would start to come right back to the middle. But we had, again, like I said, multiple teams across the globe using different data sets and different methods coming to the exact same conclusion. And that is that they're actually speeding up. They noticed that those stars were redshifting in their light, not slowing down. Now, they discovered, again, that the universe is expanding. And in that expansion, it's actually accelerating. And it's actually that acceleration of the universe that is somewhat adding to this dark energy. Now, let me explain. When things move away from each other, eventually there's going to be a vacuum within that space, right? And in that vacuum, you can have, due to quantum mechanics on that small molecular level, you can have a volume of space where there is zero matter, but a non-zero value of energy. And that right there is essentially the essence of what 0 point or vacuum energy is. This has led to a new theory about how the universe would end, and it's kind of it's interesting. It's called the Big Rip. And what we're noticing is, again, you might have heard that galaxies, when they're expanding, eventually they'll get to a point where we're not going to be able to see them anymore. Their light that is coming off of them is actually so far away, and we've moved so far away from each other at certain speeds where that light just isn't reaching us anymore, and we're not going to be able to travel to those galaxies, where the galaxies have shifted away from each other. They're no longer interactable. Then we go levels further. The solar systems are no longer able to hold to form a galaxy. Then we go another level further. The planets separate from the solar system, and it's this gravitational force that is being weakened over time due to this dark energy that's getting stronger the more the universe accelerates, and is pushing in that acceleration as well. And so it would end essentially in planets being torn apart, elements being torn apart at their raw levels. So on this day in 1998, man, great day in science history. Amazing discovery. But remember, science is always learning, correcting itself. That was from 1998. We're approaching 30 years, for a discovery like that. There's absolutely been updates. So